Financial education after 50, the most expensive word in retirement. What is the most expensive word in retirement? It is not inflation, taxes, or even death. The most expensive word might be later. I'll save later, I'll invest later, I'll review my finances later. The problem is that later often become years. The hidden cost of delay. Many people don't make poor financial decisions because they lack intelligence. They simply delay important decisions. Small improvements made today can have years to work. Improvements delayed for years may have far less impact. Why this matters after 50? After 50, the goal becomes security, freedom, and peace of mind. Every financial decision becomes more important. Small actions taken today may help reduce future stress. A simple exercise. Ask yourself, what am I spending money on that no longer adds value? What financial goals matter most right now? What one step can I take this month? Takeaway. The most expensive word in retirement may be later. You don't need a perfect strategy. Take one step, then another. Financial progress is built through small decisions repeated over time. Thank you for watching Financial Education After 50. Subscribe for more educational content about retirement, money, and financial confidence.
After 50, a single financial mistake can be permanent. Stop guessing with your future.